Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me. Regaining my energy, let the seas sway with me.
Hello, you wonderful people. Different style of video today. We are going a full voiceover mode, and I'm walking you through a recent content batching session Craig and I did at a rented studio. So we booked it for 3 hours and squeezed everything we could out of that time. Because listen, we were in desperate need of some updated photos. People kept asking us for speaker kits, press features, promo assets, and we were either pulling from older content or rushing to shoot something at home, which technically works. We love our home, but it doesn't always hit the same. So instead of just snapping a few photos, we turned it into a full-on content day. It was about time. So photos, B-roll, social content, the vlog you're watching right now, all in one batch. B-roll is such an underrated asset for anyone who is creating content to market themselves online. It's the behind the scenes footage that adds texture, energy, and movement to your content. You can layer it into YouTube videos, drop in some text or a voiceover to turn it into an engaging reel. I know you've seen all those reels all the time. It's so popular to have voiceover reels or just overlay text on reels. Or you can use B-roll to just reset attention mid-video. It makes your content feel way more human, and it's so much more effective than generic stock or AI visuals. And the best part is you can use it over and over again. So one session gives you months or even years of reusable footage that still feels on brand and intentional. We are using content still in B-roll from like 2023. Same thing as photos. So we planned everything out using our 7-step B-roll guide, which is linked for free for you below. Members, you've had this for a while now in case you missed it, and we did a full B-roll training as well inside the membership channel, so I'll also link that below in the description. Now, this method is what we use for every shoot. We started by listing out the core activities we already do as business owners, things like scripting videos, content planning in Notion, strategizing for clients, recording reels, just everyday things. Then we group those into scenes. So content strategy, content creation, recording, business owner life, scheduling and posting. This is also that we can batch them efficiently and get different angles without having to overthink about it. We also pack 3 to 4 outfit changes to make the footage look like it was captured on different days. That little trick makes your content feel fresher to your audience and gives you so much more range when it comes to repurposing. So we started off with photos, and then we started mixing in B-roll scenes like recording a reel, filming a YouTube clip, looking at Notion, typing, scripting, scrolling, walking, resetting lights, all the little moments that make up the day-to-day. That is the good stuff. Whenever we set up a shot, we took videos and photos in that scene, which helps us for reels, covers, and carousels as well. So you'll see this is all just Craig and I taking turns behind the camera with a tripod. That is all we needed. Sometimes not even a tripod, and also freehand. And of course, we had Barrington there, of course, because he's our production assistant. Overall though, no huge team, right? No glam squad. Just the 2 of us with our camera, our phones, and a really solid shot list. I promise you, you do not need to overthink this. By the end of the session, we had 63 videos. That's 5 months of content if we posted 3 times a week. And that doesn't even include the photos we took, this vlog that I'm doing voiceover for right now, or the carousels and thumbnails we've already made using the footage. Honestly, if we didn't want to create anything new for a while, we would be fine with just splicing cutting up and reusing the footage that we created on this day. After the shoot, we updated the file names to describe the footage and organize them in folders before uploading everything to Google Drive for the entire team to access using a simple folder structure, because being organized is just as important as being creative. If your footage is a mess, you will not use it, and it makes it even better when you can literally just type in certain keywords into Google Drive and find it in search or on whatever your laptop is, depending how great search is. Now, that's why our B-roll guide also includes file naming tips and organization tricks, so you actually get the most out of what you batch. If you've never batched B-roll before, I really hope that this inspires you to try it, or at least to pop up tripods as you do your day to day. You don't need to capture 60 clips. You don't even need a studio. You just need to grab your phone, prop it on a tripod, and film yourself doing the things you already do, the work, the process, the behind the scenes. That is the stuff I promise you that your audience will connect with. That is what helps you build trust. And to make it easy for you, we are linking that free 7-step B-roll prep guide below. You'll get our full process, shot list examples, and sample lists in general that you can just steal and customize. So whether you have a product business, a service-based business, you're a content creator, or a creative in general who doesn't even care about content, you just want to create, B-roll is one of the best tools you can use to stay visible and build your brand without burning out. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for hanging out on our batching day. I really do hope this gave you some ideas for your next shoot. Go grab that guide, go batch some magic, and we will see you in the next one.